Hello everyone. Today we will look at the best off-road and all-terrain electric skateboards. Almost any surface can be used to ride off-road or all-terrain electric skateboards. You can use an electric skateboard not only for weekends but also for daily commutes to work or school. It just got a whole lot easier to ride rough terrain and not mind bumps along the way with something like an electric skateboard. If you would like to get off the streets and ride in the forest, this high-quality off-road electric skateboard review will give you the right options. Make sure to check the links mentioned in the description box to learn more about these products. Starting at number 1, Teamgee H20T Off-Road Electric Skateboard. The H20's design prioritizes stability and comfort. To ensure a sturdy surface for secure foot placement, a unique and Teamgee-specific W-shaped foot socket is used. Rider stability is further enhanced by the warped sides and concave formation design of the wheels, which contribute to the board's shockproof and stable character on uneven ground. Ride any road or surface in the rain or sun. To increase stress absorption, 103mm rubber tires are expanded by 24 holes. The perforations act as a buffer zone and minimize weight, letting you cruise in confidence on any road. The 4-speed and 4-brake modes can be used to match the demands of your ride. Pull down to the end of the throttle and push the speed button to convert to a new braking mode. This will enable you to adjust to the demands of different levels of riders, whether rookie or professional. 1200-watt hub motors provide lightning-fast acceleration and a peak speed of 26 mph while climbing at a 30-degree angle. With a 12 to 18-mile range and 4-hour charge time, it is equally at home on small or larger campuses and provides a thrill and delight on any city street. RALDEY V2 All-Terrain Electric Skateboard is at number 2 on my list. The RALDEY Carbon V2 is an excellent off-road electric skateboard for children and people learning to ride electric skateboards. The off-road electric skateboard has a top speed of 28.5 miles per hour and a maximum climbing slope of 30 degrees. It features a 195mm rubber wheel that is stable, sturdy, and able to provide excellent steering performance as well as superior stability and cushioning. Now you don't need to worry about popping a tire while off-roading on your favorite trails. The 14Ah battery needs only 4 hours to charge and has a continuous range of 30 kilometers. The deck of the all-terrain electric skateboard is made of Japanese T700 carbon fiber, which provides a lightweight and streamlined arrangement for the electronics and battery enclosure. To meet the demands of diverse riders, 4 speeds and 4 brakes ranging from weak to strong are built. ECOMOBL All-Terrain Electric Skateboard is at number 3 on my list. The true off-road board. It is powered by 2 strong 2000-watt 63mm brushless planetary gear motors that allow it to achieve 30 to 35 miles per hour with ease. With a high-quality 12S3P lithium-ion battery, you can travel 15 to 22 kilometers on a single charge. Its airless wheels are an unusual 150mm in diameter and are suitable for uneven surfaces such as concrete and asphalt. Tire punctures are no longer a concern with these tires' interior honeycomb construction. The honeycomb construction also offers a firm grip and minimizes vibrations significantly. The double drop-down board lowers the center of gravity for improved control, and the 15 inches wide trucks add even more stability. An ESC Flux 7.0 provides precise control by giving 4 speed modes, 4 brake settings, a partial and general odometer, a speedometer, and the ability to turn on or off the lights. It features 3 lights, a headlight, a taillight, and a body light. iENYRID Off-Road Electric Skateboard is at number 4 on my list. The iENYRID Off-Road Electric Skateboard has a 10,000 mAh high-grade lithium battery that provides up to 12.5 miles of range after 6 hours of charging. It has a maximum climbing angle of 20 degrees. This all-terrain electric skateboard is ideal for short commutes, campus cruising, and exploring towns. This longboard's iENYRID mountain board deck is comprised of 8-ply Canadian maple wood and 2-ply bamboo sheet, making it exceptionally flexible and durable. The skateboard deck surface is made of high-density non-slip emery, which allows you to move steadily and safely. It is appropriate for cruising sliders weighing less than 300 pounds. This all-terrain motorized skateboard has 2 1650-watt brushless belts powerful motors that let this 4-wheel electric longboard climb a hill with 9 inches pneumatic tires. It has a higher ground clearance and provides a more stable driving experience. Even if there is a collision, the anti-collision item on the front will shield your board from harm and keep you safe. The safety foot strap improves body stability and operating performance, and the expanded bindings keep your feet firmly on the board even while riding off-road on slopes or performing high-intensity training. The iENYRID skateboard comes with a sophisticated wireless remote controller that allows you to easily check the battery power and alter the speed mode of this long skateboard. The Backfire G3 Off-Road Electric Skateboard is at number 5. This board is outfitted with two 450-watt motors, which can propel the board to a top speed of 28.5 miles per hour. If the pace is too rapid for you, you may reduce it by selecting Eco mode. Due to its powerful electrical system, this board can cover a long distance. The Backfire G3 has a range of 18.5 miles on a single charge. Even when the battery is low, the ride is accurate and predictable thanks to the battery system. In addition, when the battery runs out, you may use the board as a regular skateboard. The brakes and acceleration of the Backfire G3 are both seamless. The deck is built of bamboo and fiberglass, which is an excellent mix for creating a flexible and sturdy deck. The 96mm wheels are ideal for navigating small obstacles like cracks, speed bumps, and tiny rocks. In terms of safety, the Backfire G3 has features like brilliant LED headlights for riding in low light settings. The R3 wireless remote is one of the greatest features of this skateboard. The G3 skateboard also functions as a power bank. It contains a USB charging connector that lets you charge your remote or phone wherever and whenever you want. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel to see more videos. Do you have any other recommendations on off-road and all-terrain electric skateboards? I'd love to hear about them in the comments.